Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let us do what we normally do. Today we are going to be doing the GN container 1/1, that is for the chips dump, that we are going to insert it here. Let us go ahead and start the drawing. We go to file, new part, okay. Then we go for the top plane, start a new sketch, go to center rectangle, snap it from the origin, and the dimension is 520 by 300, 305 by 305, and with that we can go to feature and extrude, and we extrude by 200. You can use a depth of 200 or even 150, that's okay. Now we need to shell this, but before we shell it, let us fillet the edges, and we give it a full constant size fillet, and the size of the fillet is 30mm. And we select this face, then you can hit this with all the faces. Then we need to, I think, yes, select the face down there, then right click, and your fillet is good. Now go to shell, and thickness is 1.2, around 1.2 or 1mm. Select the top face alone, right click, that's okay. Now go to top plane, or if you want, you can select this face and start a new sketch. Center rectangle from the origin, then we smart dimension it. Let me tilt it slightly from the outer, the new sketch to the outer edge, 10mm, and also let me first, yes, smart dimension from the outer edge to the new sketch also is 10mm, that's okay. Then fillet sketch, and this sketch you can fillet to 5mm. Select this and this and this and this, right click and exit the fillet. Now convert entities, and the entities to convert is this edge, or can we select the face? No, we want to convert this edge here, this, then that. Did it select? No. That edge, select all the internal edges, that is what we are converting on the top face. Make sure you don't miss anything. Then finally this edge here. That edge, right click, OK. Now go to extrude, and extrude by can extrude by 2mm. I don't know whether it is, I don't know whether there is something that we missed. Yes, since there is something we missed there, let me exit the sketch so that I may see what's not happening. There is one corner here that we missed. In this sketch, edit the sketch. While we were converting entities, there is one entity that we missed. That one has been converted. That is converted. I don't know which one we missed. Yes, I think that was the edge that we had not converted. That is why our sketch had an open area. Then extrude that 3mm. Right click. Yes, it is taking shape. Then finally select this face, start a new sketch, center rectangle, something like that. Then smart dimension 5mm, then 5mm, exit this. Should be 5mm. Yes. Then you fillet again to 5mm. All the four corners, fillet 5mm. Right click. Then again convert entities, and to convert the internal edge, that edge, this one, just to make sure you don't miss any edge, because if you miss any edge or select something which is not required, you will have problems while extruding a sketch. That edge, that edge, that edge, that edge, and finally this edge. We are good. Do we convert this? Now extrude again. Extrude. Looks like, yes, we extrude by 2mm. 2mm, right click. You are good. Now finally do fillet, and your fillet should be 1mm. That is, and select this edge. That edge there, I don't know whether this other edge also, it will be good. Yes, and your JN container is good. Go ahead and save this. Yes, let me save it under Fryer and call it part number 1 F, call it GN container. Save it. Now for you can view it on shaded, and you will see how smooth it will be like. Okay, some people might want to use a perforated GN container. You can have it perforated on the bottom, or you can leave it like that, because the moment you decide to do perforations, you will require to put a drip tray under it, which I don't find necessary. So we can go ahead and insert it in our main assembly. That is insert, and we insert a GN container. That is good. Let us go ahead and do mating, and I will go for advanced mate and choose a width, and I will select this face and this face. Then I select this face and this face here. That's okay. Then I can still do another width mate again, this face and this face, then this face here, and this face. I think my GN will be sitting pretty. Then finally I will go for standard mate, that is coincident relationship, and select this face and the bottom here, because the GN container will be sitting on that face pretty. Remember, this is something which is removable. You don't have to, it is not welded. Again, when you finish your cooking, finish your frying, you dump them here for them to drain the oil, right? Or for them, I don't know, why do they normally put it there? Yeah, before they start serving them or putting them in the display with the warmer, they put them here. They know better. I'm not a chef, man. So that's it for today. We are almost there, actually, guys. We are very much close to finishing with the island cooker. What is remaining here is the burner support panel and the burner itself. Oh, we still have some work that needs to be done, because I wanted us to do the gas connection. We tried to show how the gas would be connected, so we still have some work, but hey, we are at 95% done, so we are going to complete it and move on to something else. Thanks so much for your time. See you in our next tutorial.